Noom Premium Weight Loss and Health Pricing explain what you get for your money. The surprising truth about Noom is that it's not just another diet app, it's a psychology biz program designed to help you change your habits for good. But what exactly do you get for your money, and is it worth it? Noom Premium typically costs around per month, but longer plans like the annual subscription bring the cost down significantly. The app's unique approach focuses on mindset rather than restriction. Instead of telling you what not to eat, Noom teaches you how to understand your relationship with food. Once you sign up, you'll answer a quick quiz about your goals, habits, and health. Then, Noom builds a personalized program that combines calorie tracking, daily lessons, and behavioral coaching. You'll get color-coded food categories green, yellow, and red to guide your choices, not restrict them. Most people get this wrong. They think Noom is just about calorie counting. But the real value lies in its psychology-based lessons, which teach you how to overcome cravings, emotional eating, and motivation dips. Premium users also get one-on-one goal coaching and group support to help them stay accountable. Noom's design makes tracking simple, and the app's gentle nudges help you stay consistent without guilt. It's a long-term approach built for real-life results, not quick fixes. So, what do you get for your money? A structured, science-backed program that helps you lose weight by understanding why you eat the way you do and how to change it. If you've tried diets that never stick, Noom Premium gives you the tools to make lasting change from the inside out.